In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an iCloud Drive file from your iPhone or iPad. This is a quick and simple process that allows you to share any document or image stored on your iCloud Drive with friends, family or colleagues, all in just a few taps. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to share your files seamlessly using the iCloud Drive functionality on your Apple device. Let's start by locating and launching the Files app right on your iPhone or iPad. This app is a central hub that organizes and gives you access to all your files, whether stored locally or in the cloud. You should see the Files app icon on your home screen, which looks like a blue folder on a white background. Tap on it to open the app. Once you are inside the Files app, your next step is to navigate to the Browse tab, which you can find at the bottom of your screen. Tapping on Browse will open up a menu of various locations where your files are stored. From here, you're going to want to tap on iCloud Drive. This selection will lead you to all the files that you've saved in your iCloud storage. With your iCloud Drive now open, your task is to find the file you'd like to share. You can scroll through your folders and files or use the search bar at the top if your file list is particularly long. Once you've located your desired file, it's time to initiate the sharing process. Now tap and hold the file you wish to share. Doing this will bring up a contextual menu with several options. You're going to tap on the Share option from this menu. Selecting Share will prompt a new menu of sharing options to appear at the bottom of your screen. In this menu, you'll choose how you want to share the file. You're given several convenient options such as via messages, mail, or by copying the link to the file. You might also see other apps here depending on what additional apps you have installed on your device. Select your preferred method for sharing. For example, if you choose messages, you will then enter the recipient's contact information and any accompanying message you want to include before sending it off. Each method is straightforward and intuitive, making the sharing process fast and efficient. And that's it! You've successfully shared a file from your iCloud Drive using your iPhone or iPad. Regularly sharing files this way can greatly enhance your productivity and enable better collaboration with others, whether for work or personal projects. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have more questions or requests for similar tutorials, please let us know in the comments. Enjoy your day.